Namaskar and welcome to the world of colors. Today, I want to explain how this color therapy works because many of you they don't know that this is a science which is based on the sunlight or any light. As we all know that the sunlight has all the colors within, and that we can see with the experiment of the prism, and we know the rainbow. And we all know that the sunlight has an effect on the plants. The plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. The same way, our body is also preparing vitamin D, that's we all know. Other than that, there is a lot of thing which is happening within our body with the help of sunlight. All the different colors which is present in the sunlight, including the white light itself, they have different effect on the different system and organs of our body. So one of the color is giving cooling effect, one of the color is giving heating effect, one is taking care of our skin, one is taking care of our muscles, one is taking care of the nervous system, brain, and few colors they take care of our emotional conditions, our habits, addictions. So there is a science behind it. I can't explain it in a short video that what are the colors and what are the attributes of the colors. And all the colors, they are also related with our elements of the body. So when the sunlight or any light falls on us, there is an effect on a particular system of our body. Even religiously, we are applying some colors on our body. Holi is the festival of colors. Sindoor is applied by the female only when they are married. We are applying the color, the tika here on our forehead. So different kind of color has different effect. Why black color is used around your eyes? There is a scientific reason of using all these colors anywhere on your body. Sometimes we like different colors of clothes, and the other time you don't like the same color. You don't want to see those colors, which you liked a lot. Different age people like different kind of colors to wear, to eat. They attract you. So whatever is the deficiency of the element or the color, you can say, that attracts you. That color will attract you. You will start liking those colors. And with the help of some acupuncture points, if we apply those colors on few points, different color are giving different effect on the fingers and all over the body it is. But what I am doing is basically on this area. And this is also giving a lot of effect. As all of you, and there are many students who have learned this from me, online and offline both. And the patients are benefited even in those ailments which is not able to get any result with the help of medicines. I don't say that I am going to replace the medicine. All the therapies are well and good and they are helping the humanity. But using colors, I have seen that I have got instant relief in many of the diseases. like joint pain, if someone has, so they can find immediate relief just after application of the point. Today, I just wanted to explain this color therapy, how it works. And I have written a book, Healing with Colors. If you want, you can just message me your address with your PIN code and contact number. Then I will post it. If you are within India, beyond abroad, I can't send it right now because of the lockdown and the flights are not regular at this time. Few of you have asked about the burning in the foot region or the sole. So today I'll tell you how to treat the burning of the soles. That mean how to treat it. So take green color, green sketch pen, and just on both index finger, just below this joint, middle joint, just like this. You have to make a kidney on both index finger. So first of all, you should see on both index finger, you have to draw this kidney shape by green color. And then on the front side, on the lower crease, on the corners, like this. So only green color on both index finger, like this and like this. You have to use green color. This burning in the sole or the foot region is because of heat in your kidneys. So you should drink more water or any fruit juice, green vegetable juice. It also cools down the kidney. So it will help to cure the burning in the sole. And you just apply it today and you will see that within 2 to 3 hours, you will feel the difference. And within a week, there will be no burning in the foot region. Thank you. If you want to learn this wonderful color therapy, just WhatsApp me at 933-511-876. And I'll add you to the group where more people are there who want to learn. And whenever you have convenient time when I prepare the new group, you can just join. And it is a paid class, so you will have to pay for the class. Thank you. Namaskar.